Well, sa akin kasi the President has spoken. From the very start, alam namin kasi na the President would wish to make this Constitution work. Remember na Constitution ito ng nanay niya. It was a Constitution in the 87 presidency of the mother. And I know he will really make it work. And nakita naman natin, tama yung sinasabi niya, if we will be changing the rules of the game in the middle, baka ito pa yung makakaudlot or makakatipid ng progresong natatamasa natin yun. Lalo na the growth natin at 6.4 for the first quarter. At the same time, nakikita natin yung incessant na laban niya sa corruption, and I think he's winning the fight against corruption and all advocacies na pinaglalaban.
Okay sir, iba-ibang alignment na pong ginagawa na yun, iba-ibang political parties. Wala po ba kayong participation dito?
Meron din, being a politician from the very start, at the same time taking care of my province in Cagayan, we will be really get involved dito. Parte kasi ito ng parte kasi ito ng movement sa gobyerno, and politics really play a very vital role even sa direction na gusto natin punta. Kaya we will be really involved dito sa lahat. Well, lahat kasi ng cabinet may input kami lahat diyan. As far as the legislature is concerned, as far as yung mga line cabinets are concerned, may input kami lahat diyan. Lalong-lalo na ako dahil doon siya magdi-deliver ng zona niya mismo sa House of Representatives, and we are really involved in the preparation. Hindi naman eksaktong mahirap dahil every now and then ginagawa naman na ito. Kaya lang, kailangan makipag-coordinate ka sa lahat ng klase ng agency, from invitation to the security and the preparation ng hall mismo. It occurs every year, pero kahit pa paano, you have to anticipate problems. Lalo-lalo na yun, ang laki-laki na ng membership ng House, at hindi naman lumaki yung House of Representatives as far as the plenary session is concerned. Kaya problema rin namin kung paano i-limit. Sa security, hindi naman siguro masyado yun dahil we have a very popular president. Kung meron mang mga protesta, hindi na kasing violent ang mga protesta nila.
Since andun kayo po sa gitna ng mga pagsusumikap para ma-manage ang buong Pilipinas, together with the House of Representatives, the lower house, the upper house, at alam na po natin lahat kung gaano kahirap yun, meron po ba kayong konting message para sa mga taong pinaghirapan yung pagsilbihan?
Sa lahat to sa mga Pilipino, tulungan po natin ang ating presidente. Siya ang nagiging inspirasyon natin. Nakikita natin how he really works. Nakikita natin how he sincere is he for our people. Bigyan ho natin siya ng kakataon. Bigyan ho natin siya ng inspirasyon through all our efforts. Alam niyo po, I feel so proud to be working with this president, and I feel so elated to be part of his team dahil nakikita ko na may magandang kinabukasan para sa ating mga anak, para sa ating bansa at sa darating pang mga taon. Alam ko the president will never fail this nation.